What's up guys, Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video we're doing the price prediction of Illuvium. It's a blockchain game and it's very popular. So it's a blockchain game built on the Ethereum network. The Illuvium coin is used for governance, for staking and all of that, and that's ILV. Currently it's at 10 bucks. It has great tokenomics, and the total supply is just 8.98. Circulating supply is 5.74. All-time high is at 2868. So can this token get to 500 bucks during the bull run? Absolutely yes. I believe from now down till November, this token will get to 500 bucks and even surpass it. So if you look at the chart, Illuvium is still very much in a downtrend. After starting at this point, it hit this place attempting to break out but couldn't, just fell right down to the bottom. I don't think the bottom is in yet. A lot of people believe that the bottom is in. I basically don't believe that. So looking at it, well, selling pressure seems to have died down, but I would, if someone is getting into this, it's best to wait for it to get into accumulation mode, meaning it's no longer dropping. So accumulation mode means there is a high possibility to go to the upside, but for now the selling pressure seems to have reduced. That's why you're seeing this light red in the histogram. So basically it's telling us that selling pressure has reduced, but based on the overall bearish momentum of the market, I still feel Illuvium can go further down. It can get to as low as 5 bucks, which would be a great entry for anyone to get into the particular token. It's actually a blockchain game. It's a very nice game. It's a game that is worth playing if you're into gaming. It has a decent volume, and if you look at tokens that are related to it, um, tokens related to Illuvium, you will see that the Vulcan for 0.9, Immutable, Gala, Veracity, Avalanche, and Nakamoto games. And if you see, Illuvium seems to be fairly priced, but Illuvium has far better tokenomics than most of the tokens here. So can Illuvium get to 500 bucks? Yeah, if the all-time high is at 2868, then definitely it can get to 500 bucks and even surpass it. Let's look at if there has been unusual buys in this particular token. So we could see that there have been unusual buys right around this area where it made a move right from 32 bucks up to around 72 bucks. So there was unusual buys here, but there's not been any unusual buys at this point, which goes to tell you that the token has just been freely floating. But I believe that the bulls will step into this token in no distant time. So can it get to 500 bucks? Absolutely yes, because that will put its market cap around 3 billion, which is fair enough, which I believe it is still undervalued even at 3 billion market cap. So this is Crypto Wolf. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.